What's up guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley. Today's video is something special because I'm getting ready to go to the beach and I need to keep these eyebrows on. I have very thin eyebrows, basically no eyebrows. And when I go to the beach, the waves hit me and the brows come off and it's not cute. So I want to be cute while I'm at the beach. And so I've been researching several different videos on how to keep the eyebrows on, looking for waterproof products that will last while I have fun in the sun. You know what I mean? Before we get into this video, I do want to let you know that I do have a Walmart try-on haul coming very shortly. Should be the next video after this one. But in the meantime, I wanted to jump in and test out these brows because I got the product. I have not tried them yet. We're gonna be doing this together for the first time. So could be interesting, but we're gonna try it out. If you wanna watch this video, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and also hit that like button so you can watch more videos with me. All right, let's get into the video. So I watched several videos on YouTube on the best waterproof product, and I think I might have found it. It is called Urban Decay Inked Brow. These videos were from like 2 years ago, so obviously I'm a little behind in the game, but I wanted to show you how it worked for me because I literally have no eyebrows. I mean, it's very sparse. So I ordered 2 different colors because I wanted to test out which one looked better on my skin tone. So we're gonna try both. It claims to last up to 60 hours, which would be huge. I have really oily skin, so if somebody tells me it probably won't last that long, I don't care about that. I just want it to last like when I'm in the water, if I accidentally rub my face, like I want it to withstand those things. I don't need day after day wear. If I get that, that's a great added benefit, but it's not the criteria I was looking for when I was searching for this waterproof brow. It says smudge resistant, sweat resistant, and it won't flake or fade or transfer. Sold. It's vegan, cruelty free, even better. All the videos I watched, people really were impressed with the product. They did say that like when you start working with it, you have to move quickly because it dries fast. So that's the only thing that makes me nervous because I have to play around to get the perfect brow. So this could be a disaster. The instructions say that you want to keep your skin clean and dry before application. Make sure you remove any excess product with a wipe, okay? And then for long-lasting brows, avoid actually washing your face, or well, wash your face, but washing the brows when you're washing your face. So wash around it. The colors I got are Dark Drapes and medium brown, or no, I'm sorry, brunette Betty. So I'm gonna zoom the camera in and we're gonna go for it. Okay, up close and personal. How you doing? I'm gonna take a makeup wipe, and I actually just put these brows on, so it's sad to let them go. And I'm going to reveal to you guys what I really look like. Oh, so scary. Okay, so you can see how I literally have no eyebrow. I'm gonna dry it off. And I think I'm gonna start with the color Dark Drapes. It does have a nice applicator. Let's see if you can see it. It is pretty thin, so it can help me kind of shape and line my brow. I want to first like outline the brow line just so I kind of know where to work. And thankfully I can still kind of see where it was from when I just had it on. Okay. So I got it lined, and now I'm gonna start doing like upward strokes, I guess. I have no idea. Okay. I'm going very light. Give myself a tail here. Hope you guys can see this. And then I want to kind of push the eyebrow out so it actually looks like hairs. Okay, I'm gonna quick spoolie and make sure everything's going good here and smooth before it dries. It definitely looks like liquid, so I want to try to give it more like hair-like strokes. Okay, I feel like those hair strokes were a little too much. Okay, I don't like when the brow is like really thick towards the front, so I always try to kind of smooth that out, but it's already drying. Oh no. And it just looks so patchy. Okay, all right, we're gonna fix this. Okay, all right. Got this, we got this. I will say I like the color so far. I feel like instead of focusing on like giving it strokes, I'm just gonna paint it in here. Oh, now it has like a weird texture because I wiped it off. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Not a pro here. Okay, all right. It's okay. You've got this, okay? It's just an eyebrow, chill. It's feeling like it's getting very thick. Okay. All right, that's a little smoother. So if you play around with it a lot, it gets kind of chunky and then it really doesn't look real. So there's that one. That is the dark drapes. Definitely not put on by a professional. So like anyone who uses this product on a regular is probably like, that's awful. But you know what? Practice makes perfect. And now I'm sad to let this one go, but I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this brow and I'm gonna leave us zoomed in just like this. Hopefully it's not too aggressive for you. Okay. Ugh. I just hate how it doesn't look faded right at the front of the brow. But it's all right. Okay. We're gonna remove this one. It's so hard to say goodbye to my fake brows. Like, I plucked these when I was in high school, like, and I haven't since. Like, college I didn't, after I didn't, they've just never grown back. It's not even fair. It is not even fair. Okay. So now we're gonna go in with the lighter color. It is the Brunette Betty, the medium brown. Again, let me move my mirror this way so that maybe when I'm doing it you can see it better. Okay. Make sure it's completely dry.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading.
Okay, this one is definitely more splotchy than the other one. Like, I don't know if I need to go in with like a second layer, but I might actually like this color better. I don't know. You guys have to let me know what you think. Remember, we're not looking at perfection, we're just looking at the color. So let this one dry a little bit, then I'm gonna kind of just try to smooth it out a little bit. Yeah, it's like a fine line of trying to figure out when is it dry enough to use your spoolie, but when is it too dry where you can't do anything. Fine line. So I'm gonna take my finger and rub, and I don't have any, hopefully it's not too blurry, product on my finger. I have a tissue here. It's like nerve-wracking because I don't want to have put all this work in it and then they come off. But here is this, let's see. Okay, so wiping, nope, nothing. Any kind of product that you might see, if you can see it, it would be just from the makeup, like the foundation on my face. That is amazing, that is amazing. So I feel like if I can master the way this freaking brow looks, then we might have something here, okay? This one is still a little sticky, so I'm not gonna mess with that one because you know it's gonna dry down the same as this one. And this one right now is smudge proof. I am going to tonight test out how waterproof it is, how sleep proof it is, and I'm gonna check in tomorrow and let you know and let you see the final results. So I'm hoping this is a win because I need to be cute at the beach. You guys, I am so frustrated right now because I had recorded a final thoughts video. I had little clips of me washing my face, walking, you know, waking up from sleeping in the brow, and they were all on my phone, and for some reason my phone will no longer export videos to my Final Cut Pro, or my Final Cut Pro won't accept it. I'm not sure. I did get a new phone, so it might have to do with that. But I was so sad because I wanted to show you guys and walk you through how I tried to test the brow and how it didn't budge. So if I can get those videos to work, I will insert them here somewhere. But if I don't, I'm so sorry. I wanted to give you some sort of proof, but I don't have it right now. But anyways, let's start fresh. I'm gonna give you my final thoughts, and all I have to say is 10 out of 10. I freaking love this brow product. It is amazing. Splashed my face with water, patted it with a towel, and no transfer, no movement, same brows, okay? Then I slept in the brows. And let me tell you what, usually my husband goes to bed with a different woman than what he wakes up with because I have brows at night and then I have no brows in the morning. These brows did not move, change, nothing. They were the exact same. Next day, I decided I'm gonna go for a walk. I wasn't like dripping sweat, but I had a nice glisten. And I would wipe my brows just to see if anything would come off. There was no transfer. When I got home and looked in the mirror, the brows looked the exact same. I wore these brows for a full 24 hours and they didn't budge. Like, they are legit waterproof, smudge proof, sweat proof, everything. Okay, if I had worn them the full 60 hours that it claims to hold up, I think they truly would look the same. Now, my favorite color was the lighter color, which surprised me because I thought I was gonna be more impressed with the dark one, but the dark one didn't give me much opportunity to play around and fix my errors. Like, it dries really quick, and with it being dark, it shows the imperfections way more. But yeah, overall, I think this Urban Decay Inked Brow is a phenomenal product, and I can't believe I'm just now hearing about this. I really appreciate you guys for tuning in, and again, I'm so sorry I didn't have the proof to show you that I put the brow through the test, but I learned my lesson, and from now on I'll be recording with my camera. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.